Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
First, confirm your phone supports eSIM for 4G or 5G and is unlocked. Check the model specifications and carrier locks. Keep your active Airtel number ready and accessible for verification. Prepare a government ID for identity confirmation at the store or during the process. Ensure stable internet on Wi-Fi or mobile data for downloads and activation. Back up your existing physical SIM data and contacts before switching. Note any dual SIM restrictions and which slot remains physical versus eSIM. Open the My Airtel app or dial the Airtel US menu to request an eSIM. You can also send an SMS request or visit the nearest Airtel store for assistance. Provide your Airtel number and a government ID for verification. Share your device IMEI when prompted. You can find it in Settings. After verification, Airtel issues a QR code or secure activation link via email or SMS. Expect a processing time of a few minutes to a few hours depending on verification. On your phone, go to Settings, then Cellular or Mobile Data, and choose Add eSIM. Use the camera to scan the Airtel QR code received by SMS or email. Follow the on-screen prompts to install the eSIM profile and assign a label. Choose whether this eSIM is primary for voice, data, or both based on your preference. Enable the profile and wait for carrier provisioning, which takes a few minutes. Restart your phone and confirm Airtel network shows 4G or 5G, and test calling and data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.